back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Mini-O-Grabox from Festive, and this box is for October month, so I'll be unboxing this. So let's just quickly open it and see what all is there. First of all, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 399 rupees plus 60 rupees is the shipping charges. But don't worry, I have a coupon code by which you can save the shipping charges. So you just have to use free. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this in the description box. So yes, you guys can check the description box. And now let's just quickly open the box and see what all is there. So the first thing is this. This is eyeshadow palette from ADS. And this is how it looks. I love the packing. And once you open it, it has beautiful shimmers in it. This one is white or silver, whatever you can say. This one is pink, then blue is there, then green is there. It has beautiful shine to it. So yes, perfect for festive season, or you can say wedding season. So yes, I love it. Beautiful shade. Really want to try these. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is again a really pretty product, you can say. So you can just see the outer packing. It's beautiful. It says it's Angel Rose. The color is 11, and let me open it and show you the shade also. So this is pretty shade. As you know, I love any shade of pink, so this is from the same family, you can say. Pinkish reddish kind of a shade, and this is how it looks. Really pretty. I'm liking it. Very pretty shade. So yes, super happy with this one. Yes, I can use it tomorrow also. So yes, I will be using this very shortly. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Malio, I guess Malio. Okay, this is a lips sleeping mask, and this is green tea lip mask. 15 gram is the quantity, and let me open it. So yes, I'm really looking forward for this one, and I love the packing. Inner packing, it's so pretty. Just have a look. So this is how it looks, and I'm definitely going to try this one. It's super cute product, and it's nice. You can just see. So yes, super happy with this one, and I would say this is my favorite product from this entire box. So yes, love this because of the shape, and I think the product will also be nice. So yes, really looking forward for this one. And this comes with a brush also. So this is the brush. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is again a eyeshadow palette. Actually not eyeshadow palette, makeup kit, you can say. It has blusher and eyeshadow. So this is by SFR Eye Face, it says. And once you open it, these are the different shades. So these are the shimmers here. This is the blush on here. And these are the, you can use it as an eyeshadow, or this one is the highlighter. Here. This one is again blush or eyeshadow, whatever you want to use it. So yes, really pretty kit, you can say. I love it. Now I'm left with the last one. Last one is a jewelry. So these are the jhumkis here, not jhumkis, okay. These are the peacock earrings. The color is tealish, bluish kind of a shade. Really pretty. I'm wearing pink, so I doubt these will go with my dress, but let me wear one and show you the look. I'm sure they are going to look really nice with suit, kurtis, or any sari, lehenga, matter of fact. So this is the look. See, wow, really pretty. The color is so pretty. I love it. So this is the last product, and that's all what I've received in my Mini-O-Grabox for October month. And if you ask me, yes, I love it because the eyeshadow kit is just amazing. The shimmers are just wow. Then this kit is again very nice, very useful also. Different shades you have. Then I completely love this sleeping mask, lip sleeping mask. Very cute, first of all. And yes, I'm sure the product is also going to be nice. So yes, looking forward for this one. Then the lipstick is nice. And the not jhumkas, the earrings are so pretty. So yes, super happy. And if you ask me, yes, I will totally recommend it because it's quite affordable and you're getting so much stuff. So yes, I'm happy with this one. And if you want to place your order, just go to the description box and click on the link. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.